Alright. Well, I'm trying to spin 2 and 3 there. And it looks like I had just enough slack a second ago. There. Brush the needle open a little bit further, and now it's good to go. Well, yeah, just let that spin both number 3 and number 2 to get those worn in again, and then hopefully once those are spun in, with the other modifications I made, we'll be able to do some testing with this later. But for starters, I need to work on my ETX and tune that up, but right now we're playing.